For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
India registered highest single-day spike of 55,079 COVID-19 cases in 24 hours, taking the country's tally to 16,38,870. The active cases in the country stand at 5,45,318. The death toll in India due to COVID-19 pandemic has crossed 35,000. The country reported 779 deaths in the past 24 hours, taking the tally to 35,747. India's recovery rate continues to bring some relief to the country. As per Union Health Ministry, around 10,57,805 patients have been cured of COVID-19. Indian Council of Medical Research stated that over 1,88,32,970 tests were conducted in various laboratories across the country till July 30, and out of these, 6,42,588 samples were tested yesterday. States such as Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, West Bengal, Bihar, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat continue to report a high number of cases in the country. Maharashtra has reported 4,11,798 COVID-19 cases so far. The state has reported highest single-day spike of 11,147 new cases. Maharashtra reported 11,147 new cases in the last 24 hours, taking the tally to 4,11,798. Around 2,39,755 patients have been cured of the virus. The death toll in the state stands at 14,463. Tamil Nadu reported 5,864 fresh COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. Tamil Nadu has confirmed 2,39,978 COVID-19 cases with 1,78,178 recoveries so far and 57,490 active cases. The death toll in the state stands at 3,741. Karnataka recorded highest single-day spike of 6,128 cases. The state government decided to ramp up testing across all 8 Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagar Palike zones in the city. Karnataka has reported 6,128 fresh cases in the past 24 hours, taking the tally to 1,18,632. Around 46,694 people have been cured of the virus. The death toll in the state stands at 2,230. Delhi is one of the worst hit COVID-19 regions in the country. The national capital has reported 1,34,403 COVID-19 cases. The national capital recorded 1,093 fresh cases in the last 24 hours. Delhi has reported 1,34,403 confirmed cases and 10,770 active cases. The death toll in the national capital stands at 3,907. India's COVID-19 death toll stands at 5th position in the world after overtaking Italy's fatality count of 35,132. Meanwhile, scientists at Imperial College London stated they are immunizing hundreds of people with an experimental vaccine during the early trial. The deadly coronavirus has claimed the life of more than 6,67,011 people so far.